Oh, I'm gonna see a potion is here. Guys, I found a potion. Let's do it. What's going on, guys? This is me, Joseph. I'm gonna be drinking calming potion. Like that. Like that, huh? I'm gonna drink this. Ready. Now ready. In 5 seconds I drink. Nice. Okay? It's actually like tastes like paper on an iPad. I said. I just recorded on an iPad. It's a small tablet. 7 inches. We're gonna start. Let's get it. Okay, guys, we're gonna drink this. And the cup. I don't want to do this. I drink with this, okay? Okay, we're gonna start it. I'm started. The sounds. Smells like a ball. We drink it. 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I swallowed it. I'm good. I feel really calm. I don't feel good. Oh my. Oh god. I think it takes about 5. I gotta take about 5 hours. It's gonna stop. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, what happened? This potion is dangerous. It takes about 5 hours. What the fuck? I don't want to drink this ever again. Smash this video for 10 likes for another potion videos. Like this blue color version, right? Part 2 is gonna be last reviewed. Part 3 is gonna be best reviewed. Then part 4 is gonna be we'll be time traveling to 2020 years in this day and this month. Not this again. I really can't again. No. Again. What the block? I tasted it. Wait, why? This potion is dangerous. Do not drink. No, please. Don't drink. Alright, never drink it. It will be danger. Let me clean my hands. And 3, 2, 1, done. ocean is dangerous. Do not drink. Let me clean it. Okay. This is much danger. This condition is hard to survive this. Let's hit 15,000 likes for another part. Again, I taste it. Feel it again. Oh, do not taste ever again. Oh no, I feel tired. Oh no, don't. No, don't taste. Oh no. I feel dying. I'm gonna go to bed. Goodbye. Ooh, really good day. Tell my kids from crying. I got this charging. iPower. That is a fake version. It was fake. Do you see? Is it fake? Can you see? Can you see this? Hit 15 likes, okay? Alright, goodbye.